Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. And today, what is it like? I'm catching up almost end of day. I know usually my time is 9:30 morning. I think it's almost what is the time now? It's 8 o'clock at night. You can see uh, I was literally tired today. I don't know, my head is hurting for some reason, but I don't want to miss it for any reason, to be frank. So I thought, okay, I will just do recent days. This became my favorite routine. Hi, Fa, how are you? Thank you for hopping on, Fa. I missed to call you. Maybe I will call you tomorrow, or if you're free, you can even call me later if you are not sleeping. I'll be available. So, I wanted to show you guys my favorite routine these days because I know Senegence has yeah, I don't know what happened. Like maybe what's like I went on a walk when it was literally hot. I don't know what is the reason, but my head is really hurting today. Like a headache, or I don't know whether I didn't drink enough water for the day, so I have to catch up. Hi Shobna. So Shobna, see what I wanted to talk about. I know Shobna was that day talking about our new tight. Similar way, I am obsessed with this overnight lip mask. So recently Senegence introduced this as a combo. Unfortunately I don't have the bag that came with it, but you can always what is it like, grab them individually. There used to be even a set previously when these two was there. So let me explain what it is. It is Lip Smooth, which is the lip exfoliator, and the Clear Lip Balm, which is what is it like, not a colored one, and then the new overnight lip mask. So this is, I would say, this is only twice a week, maximum thrice a week, not more than that. And this one you can use morning and night, but and none of the lip balms you can use it with lip sense, because Senegence lip balms will break the color. So you don't want to apply, if you're going to do your lip sense, you don't want to apply the lip balm. So for me it's mostly at night time. If it is day, I prefer to use either the glossy gloss or even the pigmented glosses if I am not what is it like, if I'm not going to wear any lip sense. And obviously being a overnight lip mask, this is going to be at night time. But if you're someone who has more chapped lips or something, there is no rule that you cannot use it. Hi Tamil. So if you have been following me for quite a while, the two things I always talk about more is, one is my nighttime skincare routine, and the second is or say like exfoliating. So these two I'm so passionate about, because if you what is it like, if you know how much I had my acne, or how much I didn't take care of myself, the first thing I always suggest, even if you are a beginner and just starting with skincare, will be your nighttime skincare routine. Because nighttime you have what is it like, more time for the skincare to soak in, so it's going to give more benefits out of it. And also for example, the night cream has more Senaplex complex than the day cream. That's why it comes in a tub rather than it comes in a airless pump. So that's why I was like, these things, if you can do it at night, that way it's going to be really nice on your lips too. Second way, I think exfoliating, if you need a good skincare, then exfoliating is a must have, because whatever you are going to invest on, whether it's been a treatment or even everyday skincare or even a makeup, unless you exfoliate properly, your skin will not look better. That's how I feel, because you have the dead skin that's constantly being produced, and unless you clean it out, none of the creams can penetrate, or even your foundation can be patchy, or your foundation or any CCTM will not go smooth. So unless and until your skin is good, your makeup will never be 100%. So that's one thing I always talk about. And similar way, how you exfoliate twice a week, you can also exfoliate your lips for twice or maximum thrice a week. If you are just starting with, then you can do even 3 times, but if you are just regularly using, then even 2 times should be fine. So this tube will last you so long. As I said, it's just going to be very small amount, and also you are just going to do only twice a week. So what I do is, I am going to just moisturize my lips a little bit so that it's not too dry. I have already finished my nighttime skincare routine, so with this it will be over. So if you see, it's a pointy tip. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this one. Wait. I'm going to use this one too. Just a fancy tool. You can use it with your finger itself, nothing major. But I think you can use this one to just brush it. You can see this bristles will help. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a tiny amount here. You don't need a lot. So you can see how much I have taken. So that's all you needed. You don't need a lot. I'm just going to brush around my lips. Do it really gently. You don't have to put too much pressure on it. How is your Sunday, guys? Like, hope you all had a wonderful Sunday. I was able to accomplish more, but suddenly it started. I don't know why. Today I didn't even go for a long walk. I don't know why it started hurting. So if you have flaky lips, or if you have chapped lips, and if you feel like your lip sense is not adhering better and all, exfoliating regularly will really improve all those things. And not only that, I'm going to let this soak in for a minute, and meanwhile I'll be able to read about it. So you can see, you can even just do this. This is just a fancier tool, nothing much. This is going to lightly massage, at the same time take away any flakiness or anything. That's all. I'll wash it later, and meanwhile I'm going to let it soak in, and I'm going to read the ingredients. So the lip smooth conditioning polish, it says, helps dry lips feel renewed, re-moisturized and conditioned. Formulated with natural exfoliator, Senaplex complex and natural oils to accelerate the exfoliation process and reveal smooth, beautiful lips. If you don't know, our lips doesn't have sweat glands at all, so it cannot moisturize by itself. So you need to put the moisture in for it to soak. So here the ingredients are bamboo and ivory seed powder, which will gently and effectively exfoliate. Nangai oil, which will deeply hydrates and soothes the skin with moisture enhancing triglycerides. And obviously it has shea butter, which is going to soften and protect the skin. Yes, usually we used to go a little bit later, but today I thought I will go do some outdoor errand, because we need to get the groceries and other things. So I finished the dinner, and then we went for a quick walk, and then came back, and I don't know, suddenly it started. So that's why I think my face will be like that too. So as you need to know, I just soaked for a very little time, not a lot, and then what I do is, I gently wet my towel with a little bit of water, and just I'm going to wipe it off. Nothing else you need to know. You need just 1 minute of your time. You are not going to spend so much time. Do you see? It really takes away all the flakiness or anything. If you see my pictures, like everybody, they say like your lips are nice and full. That's because if you constantly exfoliate and moisturize really well, when you apply lip sense, you won't even have the tingling feeling, or you won't have any of the flakiness, dryness, anything will be there. And even by just using lip sense and lip gloss, your lips will feel much better than your regular time. Now I know, being summer, sometimes people doesn't drink enough water and other things, so that way they will have very dry lips. Similar way, if you live in a very harsh climate where the winter is so hard, then again you will have dry chappy lips. So you can either do the lip voluminizer, or since the kit is going to be with lip balm, that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use just the clear lip balm. I'm always prefer to take it with my fingers. That way, even if you have any you don't put any infection back on it, because these are going to last so long. So that way it keeps the sanity, and yeah, being a clear lip balm, you can share it with your family too. So you can see I just took a tiny amount and I'm going to moisturize it really well. Already it has nangai oil and ivory seed powder, so that itself has moisturized it really well. And now by adding a lip balm, I have added one more layer. And if you don't know, we have one clear lip balm, and we have, I think, 5 tinted lip balms that we carry. So here if you see, it has coconut oil, which provides nourishing moisturizer but to improve dry cracked skin, and it also has cocoa and shea butter, soften the skin and protect from environmental influences. So every step you are adding more moisture to your lips. So how you take care of your skin, hair, similar way, this way you are going to take care of the lips too. So the last and my favorite step these days is using the the new overnight lip mask. How I hope they make it add it to the spa line. That's how it feels. It smells so amazing with the watermelon watermelon scent. You can see how much I have used so far. So what I do is I touch just a gently bit and then rub it all over. It's so moisturizing, and then once you apply it overnight, the next day morning you can see your your lips are so plump, and at the same way it feels so good on your lips. Actually, it feels like so spongy, and it's like it calms you down. That's how it feels because of that watermelon scent. It really calms you. So if you are someone who's struggling with around the nose or anywhere, I feel like you can use it those places too. It's really good. I wish they bring more products like this. So if you see the overnight lip mask, it helps your lips get their beauty rest. Overnight lip mask is specifically formulated to soothe and hydrate for visibly plumpier, softer, smoother lips in the morning. It has a product called Lip Perfection, an active ingredient derived from purified extracts of mustard sprouts that help to hydrate and increase the appearance in lip volume. And also watermelon fruit extract, a superfruit extract rich in vitamins, aminos and antioxidants to protect against any moisture loss. So as a third layer, it again has shea butter, softens and protects the skin. So if you see, we pretty much used 3 products here. So we used the lip smooth, we used the lip balm, and we also used the lip mask, and they all have shea butter, coconut oil, nanga oil. So that way it's going to be really nice on your lips. And I feel like these are like your own how do you call it, you spoil yourself by getting these things like extra moisture. So my nighttime skincare is one. Even though I was so tired, how much ever I'm tired, I try to make it to that, like, because you can sense it. It's not that you don't know or something. So if I know that I'm not going anywhere and I'm feeling little tired, I'm okay to do my nighttime skincare even at 5 o'clock, because it's obviously going to help you. And we all have ups and downs. So it's okay if you can't do for 1 or 2 days, but always try to get back into it. And similar way, whether you have a mask, whether you have your gold mask or detox mask and all, make sure you try to use your weekends for those self-care time. I feel like we all deserve that 15-20 minutes for ourselves, whether you read a book, whether you are lounging, whether you have your me time. You can always utilize these products and spoil yourself for some time. And when you when you do that, obviously I feel like you will be more energized to come back and do. Thank you so much for all the hearts. For you need it, actually you are the one who has to take rest. Fa has to take rest because she is one always been working, and she'll always be worried about it. So take rest, Fa. I will catch up with you this week, and hope you guys enjoy these products. And as I said, you can either buy them separately or you can always grab them as a set. And these two, this one for sure, this will last the longest because it's only twice a week. This will be for twice a day too, unless you are using hi Abita, how are you? So if you are using twice a day without Lipsons, then based on that it will be. But I always quote, that's what like Soumya says, even a sample will last you more than 10 days. So you can imagine how much days this will come. And then this one is only at night time again. So thank you so much. I always feel like when I talk about skincare, my husband will be like, whenever I go for saying that I will go and finish my live, he will be like, what are you going to talk about? And if I say I'm going to talk about skincare, he will always say like, I will come in 10 minutes because it's just a quick lip mask or something. He will say, no, once you start about skincare, I know you won't come for at least 30 minutes. That's how you are. So because I'm really love these products, and once I start talking about it, I don't want to miss on any details, because even my sister was asking yesterday, like because I sent my earring collection video to my mom and my sister, and because my mom is not in the group, so she was like, now only I could see it, how much you have. So that's how it is. Like, I really love to talk about these products and explain clearly, because sometimes we need to understand what we are putting on our skin, because that makes a huge difference, instead of just grabbing a product and just applying it. When you learn about the purpose, then all three can be used by anybody in your family, whether you are a husband or whether you're a teen, anyone can use it. That's why I showed how you don't put directly, because even though if you see they all have a pointy tip, you can still use your fingers or something, so that you can share it with everybody. So these products are like for everyone, like how we say an eye cream or dark circle and all, for anyone that can use it, whether it's not gender specific. Similar way, these products can be used by anyone, and that way it is like everyone can enjoy the benefits out of it instead of just us. So that's all about it today. I have 2-3 ideas for this week which I'm really excited about. It's funky, and it's all different than what I do. So let's see how it goes. I have what is the date today? Today is 23, I believe, right? Or 22. It's 23. So I just have 8 more days to finish the Slay May challenge. I hope something was useful in these 31 days. That's what I'm aiming for. If you're still looking for something, you can always let me know, so that I can try to make a video out of it. And hope you all had a wonderful weekend. See you all soon. And I know most of the schools are closed, and even for us, this week will be the last week of school, and even my son will be getting his COVID shots. And also hopefully soon we all can head out and look for our normal life again. So have a wonderful night, and see you all soon tomorrow. Thank you, guys.